Adding welcome screen into Wix website. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can add welcome screen to your Wix site. For this, go to Google and search for Wix. Now click on the link that says wix.com. After that, log into your account and you will be able to see the dashboard or main screen of your account. Here in the upper right corner, you will see an option that says Edit Site. Tap on this option that is visible in blue color. Now, after tapping on it, it will take some time and you will be redirected to this page. Here you can see there are two icons, an icon of PC and a mobile phone. Now you have to change your version from PC to mobile. For this, you simply have to click on the icon that says mobile. You can see here written switch to mobile. Now after clicking on it, you have to enter your email and you will be able to join it. Now you will be able to see on the left side an option that says mobile tools. Click on it and now the editing is started. Now you can add a quick action bar back to bottom, welcome screen, browse theme color. From here, select the option that says welcome screen. Now you can add a logo of any type, bouncing in, fade in, animations. You can add any animation or any logo of your choice and you can write up your text. Now this is how you can add welcome screen to your Wix website.